Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some beautiful simple hairstyles. So fix this bun foam on the hair. Now spread the hairs and fix it using the rubber bands. Now take the hairs from the sides and then roll it and fix it around the bun like this, and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on both the sides like this. Make the plaits and fix it on the left side. Now make the plaits on it again. Roll it upward and fix it. After that, tie the hairs on the downside. Divide it and make the plaits on it like this. Fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie a ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it like this. After that, we will pull out the hairs from the sides as shown in the video. Now fix it using the rubber bands again. After that, again divide it and follow the same step for a few more times and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on both the sides. Now divide rest of the hairs into two parts. Make the plaits on it like this. Join them together and fix it on the top. Make a butterfly out of it. Make the plaits, fold it upward and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into two parts like this. After that, we will tie small section of the hairs in the front on both the sides. Make the plaits on it, roll it upward and fix it like this. Now take another section of the hairs, tie it, and then we will again tie all the hairs and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs like this on the back, tie it using the rubber band. Fix them together one by one as shown in the video. Now tie it on the left side, make the plaits, fold it upward and fix it, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.